have a look at the travel. No major problems have been reported on the tubes. On the roads, the A20 SQs westbound.
There was a bird incoming.
Due to roadworks in Lee. On the M25,
Changed its mind.
clockwise into the
Don't know what it was.
Very
Would have been that great tit. It would have wheat something there. I think that was a robin. It's starting to snow again. Sort of stopped and started. This is the third time that I've noticed it's starting up. Birds seem to just before any really serious weather is forecast, I've noticed this, well, say spring. Hello, what's that? Dunnock or robin? Robin by the look of it, yeah. This spring, it seems to be a huge flurry of feeding just prior to any forecast bad weather. It seems to take place just as it's about to hit. There's a few flurries of snow. I'm already feeling guilty I didn't get more bird seed, which I need to do. I may do today when I go out to get some antibiotics for this jaw, which I'm hoping will be metronidazole. Although if I have CMT, I'm not supposed to take it according to the book I got, but last time I had a tooth like this, it worked a treat. But anyway, yeah, I think I'll grab some fat balls. Trying to think what I've got downstairs. No, there's the robin. There you go, son. He will literally hop around my feet in the spring when I'm outside doing gardening. He's quite used to me. Then I do tend to have a connection sometimes with animals. I can't go in my friend's shop at the moment without Budgie going mental. So I couldn't bring him home really. He's quite a nice budgie, that one. Never owned a budgie, but I've had plenty of my grandmother's budgies like me, and a friend's budgie not far away. I get enough shopping I have to bring back without having to bring back anything more. Mind you, I am always in my friend's shop all the time. Hello. Right, okay, snow, just noticed. It's coming down a bit heavier. It has done so far. There's a bird coming in, it's a great tit. He's going straight for the feeder I'm focused on. And there he is. Absolutely amazing that the first bird I saw feed from that was a nuthatch. That was so cool. Christened by a nuthatch. You just couldn't plan that. Yes, I must pick up some. I don't know, I can't, it's impossible to imagine that we'd get buried in snow here in London, but you can hear the news in the background and that's all they're talking about. I just hope it doesn't destroy. I mean, my ornamental poppies are coming out in the garden. I hope any snow or frost ain't gonna kill them off. They've been there for years. My maples haven't occurred. I mean, where I filmed down there, those pots there are actually all Japanese maples, which I will do a little film of when they start coming out. And that's only one part of the garden. Down the left hand side here, in a line underneath that California lilac, variegated, which is actually blue, baby blue, beautiful. I'll do a film of that, but there are pictures. There's a whole line of Japanese maples under there. There's that patch there with those pots. Over there, both sides of that rose bush, there are Japanese maples, and there are some more out of shot. There's 3. One of them's quite big, it's about 7 foot tall, right underneath the window. There's over 20 Japanese maples and all, which I'll do a film of at some point, and pictures and a blog. One of the many things I'm interested in that's missing, and I'm knocking things down because there's still pots in my house that need cleaning. I haven't got around to. I just hope this pain in my jaw actually just goes away on its own. Throbbing like crazy, mad yesterday, real mad. I don't know what that was all about. Local anaesthetic. I had a local anaesthetic while having a tooth, half of it missing, done. I can normally handle pain quite well, but that kind of knocked me out. It wasn't the pain, I was really woozy afterwards and slow and lethargic, and the dentist noticed, asked me to sit down, but even after before I sat down for a few minutes, I knew it wouldn't just go away. I don't think they would have been happy for me to sit there until about 7, 8 o'clock at night. In fact, it was 8 o'clock last night, and after being asleep for 4 hours, which is really unusual, I came back here, typed out a couple of posts on my blog, came upstairs to watch a film to take my mind off the wooziness. While I couldn't decide on the bed, next thing I knew, I woke up. I'd been asleep for 4 hours. It was 8:30. Didn't forget, it was sometime after 8 o'clock. I was alright then. Pain in the jaw, but the woozy sickness wasn't there. I don't know what it was. I've reacted to general anaesthetics before. I've never reacted to local anaesthetics, so that was a bit weird. Anyway, I better switch this off. I'm using up too much memory.